We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at Studio Apartment 5J. We're on the 5th floor. That is a more active floor here in the building. Before we go into the apartment, I want to show you the position of the laundry room, which is just about right across the hall from this apartment. And next to that, we have the elevator, and that next door is the maintenance office, just so you can see where we are on this floor here in Collegetown Plaza. As you know, we enter on floor 4 in the building, and we've come up 1 floor to the 5th floor. As we'll enter, we'll go on in and we'll see the kitchen over here on our right, and we've got the refrigerator, the microwave, the sink, and the stove and oven over here. Here's the main part of the apartment as we go on through. So we've come in on floor 4, we've come up 1 floor. Let's go take a look out the window, and you can see that we are up several floors. So it's just that 4th floor to the 5th floor on that main entrance level of the building, because we're in the hilly part of Collegetown. So there's a look out the west-facing window. Here in the main part of the room, we have a dining table and chair, that tall bookshelf, the full-size bed. There is a desk and chair over here, and you can see that window AC unit. Again, we're facing to the west here, so we get great afternoon sun. It's nice and bright. Let's take a peek in the closet. This is the J style apartment, and so we've got this closet here. Sometimes the closets will have a mirror on the door. If there's one in there, we will leave it. It does not automatically come with an apartment. And let's take a peek in the bathroom. That's across from the kitchen. So there's that full-size tub shower. There's the vanity, the toilet, and a medicine cabinet over on the right. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 5J. We're in a studio apartment on the 5th floor of this 9-floor building. We've come up from the 4th floor to come to this floor, but again, we're more than 1 floor above the lobby level on this west side of the building. This building is located at 111 Dryden Road, and we are just 1 block from campus here in central Collegetown.